Hello beautiful people. If I ask you how many days do we have in a particular month, do you begin to count 30 days as September? In this video I'm going to teach you how you can know the number of days in the month in a particular year. Okay, so let's start by writing. I'm going to start with 2026 because that is the year we are in. Okay, then I'll do the same thing for February 2026. So let's highlight the two, then we right click to format it. We come to format cells. So I'm going to select the one that will show only the month and the year, the one that will show only the month and the year. Okay, this one, or let me choose this one. Yeah, so can you see the month and the year? So I'm going to drag down to give me up to December, to give me up to December 2026. All right, so how do we know the number of days in January? Obviously people will quickly say 31 now, but what if I randomly ask you what is the number of days in 2024 February? All right, so how do you do that? That is the next thing we are going to be doing here. We are going to be doing EO months for that. So let's put our equal sign. Let's put our equal sign. Our equal sign, day, double click on the day, and then you enter EO months, double click on it to open a bracket, click on the January, put comma 0, then close the bracket twice and you hit enter. So we are going to drag this down. This is for January, right? So we are going to drag this down till we get to December. All right, so we see the number of days in each month. So the sweeter part of it is when you are asked to mention the number of days in a particular month in a year, and maybe you are not in that year again, or you want to know for the future. Let's use February as example. Let's change this 2026 to 2025. We have 2020, we have 28 days, right? Now let's put 2024. February had 29 days. Okay, let's say for 2028, what are we going to have? For 2028 we are going to have 29 days also. So that's how to use the EO month to get that achieved. If you are hearing this for the first time, say first time in the comment section, and if you know this already, tell me the next video you want me to create on as regarding Microsoft Excel. See you in my next video.